So 2020 Toyota rav4, and we just did the oil change on it. We're gonna reset the maintenance required light on the dash. So what we need to do, make sure you start the car, all the doors are closed and it's in the park. So we're gonna use these buttons on the left side of your steering wheel. Just press back and you're gonna see the settings screen. Just go all the way down to the vehicle settings, then we're gonna press and hold OK, and when you go on a vehicle settings, then just scroll it down to the scheduled maintenance, press OK, and then press OK again. And reset the data. Now go back, turn the car off, restart it, make sure it's all set. Yeah, that's good to go. Thank you for watching.